Mike Bowman's crazy workshop here. Here we are Thursday night. We're getting closer, we as in me. And trying to set up the front end, do a few things. Just kind of want to show everybody what's going on here. Just getting into ride height and a few other things in alignment on the front end and stuff, which is going to be a bear on this thing. It's real narrow and it makes it even harder on the swing of things. So what we got going on here is we have our modern race car A-arms and control arms and Adam Lambert's PRS struts, and we're going to try to get everything all dialed in. I've got my Joe's plates, excuse me. And I'm still plumbing some oil system or fuel system and oil system stuff. And the oil system, the prime and pump and all that, I had to get some fittings from G&J. So still working on that. Got a few things in the back and a few things in here. Got to hook up some drive shaft stuff. Got to check out there on the yoke. And we'll be getting the hot rod down lower than that. We're going to get it down to ride height. Right now it's sitting up pretty good. And then I got to go through and put a hole in this deck lid for the breather can. I had it before with breathers. That's not worth a damn. Going to make a change now that we have blower motor. We're going to be pushing more air out of there. So everybody tune in. This old girl over here is getting ready to go over to Starbucks on Monday. Get the body work done. He has all the other parts and pieces. Everything that you see that is not there is already there and probably done, ready for paint. So making some good headway over there. Pretty happy about that. So all I can tell you is keep watching. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube. Hit the bell and check out the Instagram and Facebook. Kevin keeps making posts, which is awesome. Thanks again, Kevin. We appreciate you. You should give your own prop. That'd be awesome. And we're going to keep going away, but check this thing out. I feel like it's looking pretty good. We posted up some pictures online. Pretty badass, something like that. And we'll keep doing what we're doing here, and we're going to get it done. We'll make some smoke here pretty soon. All right, I didn't do a video last night, Friday night, getting some stuff done here, and it's Saturday morning. It's always cold here in the shop. Actually have the door open. It's actually nicer, I think, outside this morning. No wind than it is here in the shop. So I'm just gonna, didn't do a lot other than like hooking up the converter and getting all that done, and running the shift cables and the throttle cable. And I've got the throttle cable. I'm making a bracket right here right now. I had to make make this piece for the throttle linkage. Still have some fuel lines, oil lines. Got our handy dandy Fuel Tech manifold here. Got to mount that. That way we can run some solid lines to the wastegates or the blow-off valves. You know, turbo technology. Still thinking about that stuff. Anyway, after that it's just wiring and you know, coils and hooking up the wiring and get it to where we can make it run. So that's pretty much it. We got all this wiring to go, and we got to put a hole in the front end. Still have to do that for the Pro Charger here, for the inlet, and we'll be gluing that together. So I'm gonna keep banging away here. Looks like a complete mess inside the car here. Won't look like that when I'm done, but I kind of have everything unbelted there. So that's about it. I'm just gonna keep plugging along here today, see what we can get done. All right, so Saturday. Been working on it all day. Marty's here. Marty.
What's up, guys?
What's up? So we're trying to get this thing done and just wiring and just tidying things that take time. So we'll be hard at it again tomorrow. Today we got basically all the fuel lines and oil lines done. All this stuff's attached. Everything's attached. Still have to make a couple of lines here. Other than that, we're getting pretty close. A little bit more wiring. Did a bunch of the wiring and all the plug wires and everything. So I think it turned out pretty good. Like I said, I still got wiring inside and stuff to do and everything, but tomorrow's a new day. Look at the mess in there. Still have to deal with all that. So getting close. Got oil in it. Tomorrow we'll put some fuel in it. We'll charge the systems, make sure everything's okay, and then finish up wiring. And then this is getting shorter, so bleeding brakes and basically setting the rest of the car up. And that all takes time. So we'll be banging away at it, see what happens, and see what we get done for tomorrow. So check in our YouTube, Facebook, Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube. Facebook and Instagram, Mike Bowman Racing 68, and like and subscribe. Appreciate it. So here we are down at the yard, picking up the truck. We had to do some maintenance to the truck. Generator broke. We had to fix that. So finally got it down. Marty and I shuttled down. Just kind of want to show people a little bit of what we do here. This is a scraper we're working on. We're repowering it, putting different engines in it. And we've also doing a hitch. So this is what it looks like when you've got all apart. You got the entire hitch out of it and the engine. This is a 37, so this is a little bit smaller than the big giant ones that have shown some of the videos on. I don't think I've done any 37 videos, but that's kind of what it looks like when it's all apart. All new harnesses in the cab. All new everything. So this is part of the hitch. We've got it all tore apart and got all the bearings cut out of it. yeah, there's a lot going on here. So, pretty messy project. So, we'll be looking forward to getting this thing back in the dirt and getting the toter home and getting it parked away before the storm starts. Got all lube trucks all parked here for the weekend, Sunday morning. And get back up the hill, get some shit done, and get on to getting the car ready to go racing. So keep checking us out on YouTube and like and subscribe on YouTube, and we'll keep on keeping on. Sunday morning, we're back from getting the toter, and Cassidy Bowman right here, we're gonna put her to work on the Mini. I think she's in boots, and that could be pajamas. Are you? Oh my gosh, it's just horrible. Anyway, me and Marty are back from getting the toter, and now we have less shop for room here, but that's okay. Rearrange a few things, gonna get some shit done. Today we've got to finish the lower fender pieces. You want to get in on this? No. And we have to install our this guy on the rear end or the front end, and we got to get that done. So there'll be supports that we're going to make to go to this bar right here, and try to get that done. And then once we're done with that type of stuff, gonna get on with the wiring. So well, wiring won't be today, so we'll get in on doing the alignment. So I got to get that done. So get the car at weight, see what it weighs. Hopefully it's under a good 50, 75 pounds under, and we can add weight to it. So that's the goal here. So here we go. It's Sunday. Running out of time. Only one weekend left before it's time to go testing. So here we go. Watch us on YouTube, Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube, and like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Well, here we go. It's Sunday night. Finishing up on the Pro Mod. Today we got quite a bit done. It didn't seem like it, but we did. Got Marty and I here. Hey, Marty. What's up? Yep. So just going to show you around a little bit. Got doors and stuff on it, so it looks a little bit different. So basically, we had to do a front end alignment, and that takes a lot of time. There's a lot of shimming, and there's a lot of stuff. You'll see that on the time-lapse video that we made. So as you can see, there's only a couple things missing. We got the scales out. We scaled the car. Car is light like we hoped. Basically, we're going to be adding probably 80 pounds. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And I'm excited about that. How about you, Marty? Oh, yeah. So that's pretty cool that we got to add that much weight. So I believe our percentages are going to be pretty killer when it's all said and done. And well, I can't wait to get the rest of it done here so we can fire it up. And be looking for that next weekend on our YouTube channel. We'll be firing it up, bleeding the brakes. Got a little bit of wiring left to do, but making some headway. So stay tuned. Check us out. Mike Bowman Racing on YouTube. Like and subscribe. And our YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff. Mike Bowman 68 on Instagram. So check it out.